colleagues over here, Dr. Thakur, Dr. Rehan, both of them talked about like the essential requirement. Electricity becoming the essential requirement. Actually, electricity is, and also I would say today in the modern world, the data, the internet connectivity, I think these have become the, what we say, we get restless. As soon as I check like my mobile is out of the silver network, I find it very difficult to go. So, but in the entire gamut, if we talk about the energy transition, when the discussion of climate starts, the first culprit is the energy. And within the only recipe we have by dealing with energy, I think there are twin strategies. One is consume less, that means bring in energy efficiencies. That is what we call in the global parlance of discussion the doubling. And doubling the improvement of energy efficiency rate. And second is the renewable energy, basically. That is what we call as the tripling in the global jargon. So whenever we meet like with our counterparts, we discuss only tripling and doubling. So in the energy transition. But what we need to do is actually continue to electrify our economy. Right now, if you see like our overall energy consumption, 22% is electricity as a primary fuel. 78% is coming from fossils, whether it is oil and gas or coal. What we need to do is to electrify our economy. That essentially means take the share of electricity from 22% to 40%. That is the target for the year 2047. And if we need to realize this 40% target, and if we need to realize the vision of 30 trillion economy by 2047, we will need every citizen in the country to participate. And no woman can be left behind. Rather, all of us need to join hands and realize the vision of Vision Bharat. So that is all I would like to say on this occasion. I had originally thought that Dr. Thakur would only allow me to interact with the women and I will not be offering a formal speech, but I was caught by surprise.